All right, I have a 2003 Ford F250 Superduty. These are very common. They get rust right in this area where the wheelhouse meets up inside of there. They put foam in there and it causes moisture to sit between the two panels and they all rust out. Any of the Superduty beds this style, they all rust out in this area eventually. So I'm actually going to grind into this and start cleaning it up, and I'm gonna put a wheelhouse in this. There's the culprit right there. A little rust hole right here. They rust from the inside through, and then when they come through, it starts bubbling the paint up. That's what happens. Well, there's all the foam they put in there that holds all the moisture and causes these to rust out. I'm gonna get up in here with this wire wheel and I'm gonna clean all that foam out. It looks like another hole down further popped up as I was cleaning this rust off, and it looks like it might rust through right here, so I'm gonna fix a few more of these spots. All right, I got weld through primer on all of this. Now I'm gonna plug weld with the MIG welder up through here because I can't get my spot welder to it. And then this, I'm gonna use a spot welder on the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and sit this up in there. I'm gonna get this welded in. Now I know a lot of you guys probably don't have a big fancy spot welder like this, and if you don't, you can drill holes and you can MIG weld this through here.